Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky, go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky, go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every blade, every hold. Money rain from the sky, go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls, aiming for those trading gold. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls, aiming for those trading goals.
Yo, 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 what up, everybody? How's it going, man? Just going. Let's go. Alright, man. So you can see I got this Hypertix payout. And yeah, bro. I'm trying to adjust the screen right here. But yeah, man, I got a Hypertix payout. Got it, $8,400 from Hypertix. I mean, just absolutely crushing with Hypertix lately. If you ain't got on the train with Hypertix, man, you better get some accounts while they're easy and cheap. I'm telling you, they ain't gonna be cheap for long and easy. What's up, everybody? Yeah, we got news coming up. Some big old news. Who's gonna pass some evals on the news? Anybody gonna pass some evals? What up, Caveman? What up, Kenny Harris? What's up? What's up? Unforgettable legend. How much or what? The Hypertix accounts? I mean, it depends. They got different accounts. But man, let's look at this higher time frame. Let's see what's going on. I mean, on the higher time frames here, daily, you can still see we're in some choppy action. That's why the price action, if you've been struggling lately, don't worry about it. A lot of people's been struggling. But let me turn on some music here. Let me see, man. It's Friday. Let's get crazy in here. Somebody give me some music to turn on since it's Friday. We gotta get going in here. Friday. Let's get some music going. I'll just play this. It's pretty good stuff going on. Oh, that's way too loud. My bad. Alright, let's get it. 4-hour time frame. I mean, I would say lower, but I was thinking lower yesterday. I still think lower. Just the way we came up, we swept these highs right here, super obvious highs. And, you know, like, if this was a lower time frame setup, I'd be looking to short it. Because basically we came up, we tapped into this inversion over here. Right there, boom. We left these equal highs, just came up and took those out, retested this inversion, and now we can drop it lower. So I mean, overall on the higher time frames, I'm bearish. But yeah. Oh yeah, I got a big weekend. We're going to Savannah, dude. Me and my girl today. Right after the streams, we're gonna be heading to Savannah, Georgia. And like, look at this. This bullish inversion's failing. So I mean, this bullish inversion's failing. So it just makes me have to think, you know, to the downside. I mean, it didn't really fail. It got up to this first target right here, this wick high, but it failed to continue going higher. So it got to this first target and then rolled it over. So I just think we're gonna start dropping it lower. And yeah, I think it's shorts today. Probably gonna be shorts today. You live close to there, very beautiful location. Oh yeah, dude, I'm excited. Anything? What's some fun things to do in Savannah if you're from there or been there? I need some fun things to do in Savannah. Let me mark out some levels also. NFP full port. I mean, I can show you how to full port, but I don't need any accounts right now. I can show you how to full port, and we can get it, man. But yeah, if you're trying to pass some accounts, today's a good day to pass. I'd be watching this. See, we got a bearish gap here. 1 hour bearish. One hour bearish right there. 1 hour bearish up here. Be watching both of these. Alright, man, let's see if it's going to come up, tap into this 1 hour bearish fair value gap, and then start to roll it back over. But I mean, we got news. We got news coming up. We'll see. Down here is the previous day low. 24,772 is the previous day low. So I think we're probably going to drop it down, take out that previous day low. Yeah, I mean, we might can get a one setup for life play if this news makes a big top or bottom wick. One setup for life. Dude, look at this. Look at this, man. Hang on. Look at this. My girlfriend left me a note on the computer today. That was sweet. We're going to Savannah today. I mean, I would say something like this probably. In one of these gaps right here, one of these gaps, you might get a good short opportunity down to this previous day low. So, I mean, this is what I would be thinking here. I'd be thinking something like this right here. Boom. Something like that. Or, you know, or if it keeps going up from there, then like this right here. One of those is what I would be thinking. Slade, what's the female version of teabagging? I don't know about that one, dude. Good morning, good morning. What's up? A flappuccino. A flappuccino. Vic got the jokes this morning. Darsh Killiker says, can we full port from news today? Yeah, man. Go full port some evals. Use code SLADE. Best pass rate in the industry is code SLADE. I hear it gives you an extra boost to pass if you use code SLADE. Is there a full port today? Yeah. Yes, sir. I mean, we got news coming up. News coming up at 8:30 here in 15 minutes. Gonna get some nice price action. Hopefully, nice opportunity for a trade. But dude, we caught a banger in the premium group yesterday. We caught a banger right at the open. Let me see if I can find it. Literally right at the open. Boom. This is the trade we caught yesterday right at the open. Swept the London lows right at 926 or something. Swept the London lows right there. We inversed it on a 2-minute inversion to the upside, entered in long, boom, targeted those data highs. So I want to do the same thing today. If you were on the stream yesterday, you were here, and I was saying not to take. There was like an inversion over here. I said, don't take it. I want to see it come take this London low. Boom, right at the open. Took the London low, got the inversion, went up, took out that data high. Easy, beautiful trade, and we were done quick and easy. And then I called out another trade. I didn't take it, but dude, literally called it both ways. Called the bottom for the longs, and then we called these shorts right here. Literally couldn't have got a better entry. It was a 30-second inversion to the downside. So look, we called it up right here, and then I called a 30-second to the downside right there. Boom, and it dumped it down. So premium's killing it, bro. Premium's killing it. Let's see. Make sure you walk on the boardwalk by the water. Lots of shops, restaurants. Heck yeah, bro. I'm gonna take a picture of that. I'll make sure to do that. What's up, Frank? What up, Vit? What's up? What's up? But yeah, man. I'm going to show you. I'm going to explain right now. If you've been wondering how to pass an eval on the news, this is the exact method to do it. So say price is right here. All you're going to do is you're going to set a long position a little bit above. So you'd set a long position right there, and then you'd set a short position kind of right there. And that's what you do. You set these limit orders, and they wouldn't have stop losses, right? They're smash or pass. So it'd be like this. And then once the news comes out, you're looking for a big move. Boom, boom. And once it tags you in, you hope it continues. It'll be super quick, like bam. You either pass or fail in like, should be a few seconds if it's a good news event. But that's how it would be. You place it about, 15, 20 points away from price where it is right now. And then you target however many points you need, about, 30 or 50, depending on the new contract size. On the old Apex, you would do 5 contracts for, what was it? I can't even remember. It was 10 contracts for 15 points, I think. And they must have been 5 for 30. Yo, what up, Adam Daz? What's going on, bro? Scott. So that's if you, it depends on prop firms, but that's called hedging. And so the only thing that you can place limit orders like this, but you cannot be long on one account and short on the other. Yeah, Jessica. Yeah. I don't know though. If you get a straight move, if you get a straight up good move, should be good. You can hedge evals, you can't hedge funded accounts. Yeah, JT, you can hedge evals. Yeah. If you hedge funded accounts on Take Profit Trader, they immediately remove it. They immediately close your accounts. I think on Apex they just I think they just remove the profits. But dude, we got a killer Hypertix payout. Hypertix payout today. $8,400, dude. Locked in. Locked in on Apex. Let's go, bro. Bro, I need somebody to send me a Lucky Lenses here. A Lucky Lenses. That'd be awesome. Appreciate all those coins and likes and stuff, man. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. When she says she happy to be going on a trip. Oh gosh, you crazy, man. I can't even say that. You can full port evals. So I mean, this is how you would do it on the news right here. But news is in 10 minutes. So I mean, if it starts getting close, just move your orders. Right? So that's how you would do it. Let's see if there's something we could do here. So you place it about 20 points away. Something like that right there. And then bang, boom, just like that. That's kind of how you would do it. You want it to be kind of like 20 points away from price. Just constantly kind of 20 points away. And that's how you would do the full port eval method. And then basically as it would move, you would move these. So like, just move it with it. Bang. Yeah, man, but we're getting ready. We got the news. It's Friday. It's Friday, man. I'm not trying it, but I'm just showing you how to do it. I got plenty of accounts. I don't need to try it. I got plenty of accounts. Bam, bam, bam. Would you place stop limits on both sides for news? Nah, you wouldn't have stops. It'd be smash or pass. You'd either smash the accounts or you'd pass them. We'll see here. We got 6 minutes. We got 6 minutes. Born Lucky said, how do you feel getting your first payout from trading? Bro, I felt good. Phenomenal. Dude, I think the most excited I've been was when I got my first Apex payout. That was when I got kind of the most excited, bro. Because, like, Apex, I'm not going to lie, it's pretty tough. Like, with the trailing drawdown and just, like, mentally thinking about it. Like, if you didn't know you had trailing drawdown on Apex, it'd be a lot easier. But when you know you got the trailing drawdown, that's what kind of gets in your mind, right? Like, if you didn't know it, you probably wouldn't have a problem with it. But when you think about it all the time and it's always in the back of your head, that's when it becomes a problem. But yeah, I was excited when I got my first Apex payout. So then as it moves up, you would just move your orders with it. I'm not. I'm just showing you a way. A way you could full port some evals. Red folder news today, 8:30. At 8:30. So at 8:30 there should be a good movement. This is the 1 minute. Dude, I like the shorts. I literally was saying, like, for an actual play, I would like the shorts after tapping into one of these bearish gaps. 1 hour gap, short it down, or either this gap up here. One of these gaps here today, I'll be looking for shorts. To be honest with you. Dude, this one up here would look real nice for shorts. Kind of roll it back up to this gap, short it down. If it gets all the way up there. But if it starts giving good short setups in this gap, probably be some good shorts. But the best shorts would be if it rolls it up, takes out, you know, these highs up here, taps into this gap, comes down. But it could short in this first gap here. It's the 1 minute time frame. Hit that like button for me, man. Trying to get to 69 likes if we can get there. Somebody will let me know when we get to 69 likes, man. Trying to get to 69 likes. It's about to hit that 1 hour gap. See, I really don't like. I wish it would have stayed down here, because then the run up would have been running up to that gap. But with it pumping up like this, it might be getting ready to drop, dude. After tapping into that bearish gap, might get ready to drop. We got 2 minutes of the news, dude. Be careful. Be careful. 2 minutes till the news. Here we go, man. News coming out in 1 minute. 1 minute. "27 seconds. See what's gonna happen." Here we go. Here we go. Eval passing method. This is the eval passing method. See if it plays out today. All right. Nope, would have lost, dude, on that one. Look at that. You would have lost that one. Won this one down here. That would have been dirty. Huh. Look at that. It would have wicked on, lost that one. But this one down here would have won. Yeah, if you stayed out, it was good. That was a loser today on this one. The longs wicked it. See, that's what you don't want to happen on these snooze. You don't want to see a wick like that. But look, just came down, took out previous day low. But dude, it did exactly like what I said in the plan. Like, but this is what sucks about the news. Look at this. Remember I said I wanted it to wick up into this 1 hour bearish gap and dump it down. That's what kind of sucks about news. It kind of just like ruined the plan there. Like, this was going to be my plan for a trade. That was going to be my plan for the trade. And look, it did it on the news. Wicked up into that 1 hour bearish gap and dumped it lower. Got to come up with something else. I mean, I'm still kind of bearish. I mean, lower today. We'll see. But yeah, I mean, you clearly see what happened. It wicked up into this bearish fair value gap and dropped it down. Let's go DC Volley. Just picked up 400 with the news. Heck yeah. Yeah, Roblox, that wasn't a good news play. You don't want to see those wicks like that. But bouncing up off previous day low. Let's mark out these highs and lows. Maybe we'll get a news play. We got data high up here. I'm going to delete this 1 hour bearish gap. Mark this as a data high. Let's see if we get a one setup for life. Data high right there. And then down here we got the data low. So let's see if we're going to get a news play today. I'd rather it take out that high first, honestly. Take out the high, get a short down to the low. Would be ideal. Take out this high and get a short down to low. It'd be nice if we took out this data high, popped it up here into this 1 hour bearish gap up here, and then dropped it lower. Man, that would be money. That'd be money. Yeah, trader on tilt. That was dirty on that news candle. That wick. But, I mean, it was building up for it. I mean, you saw that 1 hour bearish gap there. And I was saying I wish it would have stayed down around here. I wish it would have stayed down before hitting that gap. But let's see what side it's going to take out first. The data highs or the data lows. What's everybody's, let me see. Comment your trading strategies. Let me see what everybody trades in here. You use fair value gaps or support and resistance, trend lines. Tell me what you trade. I want to see what everybody, what strategy is most popular in here. See what's the most popular strategy. 5-minute orb, Fibonacci. I like those two. I like the orb and the Fibonacci. Order flow is greater than every strategy in existence. Nice, bro. I just say whatever strategy works for you, that's the best strategy. Cindy trades FVG. Colin also target volume imbalance gaps. Taco Trader says scalp break of CISD into an unfilled 15-minute fair value gap. Nice, bro. Lost but happy says price action. That's it, man. Price action's king. That's why you see I don't have a bunch of indicators on my chart. I just trade price action. Let's go pop and drops, support and resistance. Just started ICC and orb. I see a bunch of people doing the ICC. I don't know much about it though. Crit. Yeah, you can use trade copier with take profit. Isaiah Cole mainly trades the orb. Let's go, bro. ICC some new strategy out that a bunch of people are trading. I don't know. It's some guy posted it, but I think he paper trades. I think the guy who's making ICC popular paper trades. He's posting like $1 million trades and stuff. Exactly, LKB. The best strat is the one you refine to be yours over time. That's it. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you don't. If you don't, then he's banking. But he's posted. That guy who posted some big old trades. Yeah, Guru says, isn't it called ICT? ICT's one, and then there's this new strategy out called ICC, but I don't know about it. See, we got a fair value gap right here. Bearish fair value gap. Let's go, James. I would rather us go up to the data high, and then I could look for a short down to the data low. But we may take out this data low first. I'd rather us come take out this data high and then get a short. But we'll see. If we take out the lows first, I'll still look for a long up to those data highs. But man, yeah, man, premium group been killing it. Yesterday we read price action yesterday like a book, man. I mean, read it like a book. Getting ready today, gonna make some more money on Friday, and then chill out. That FEG is not valid anymore. Why not? Let's go, pop and drops. Grabbed first Hypertix accounts a few days ago and passed it this morning. Nice, bro. Heck yeah. Yeah. You got to use fair value gaps in the right areas, right? You can't just use them all the time. Like yesterday we read it perfectly. If you're on stream, I said wait till it takes out that London low before you look for an inversion fair value gap to the upside. And then if you were taking the inversions before it took out that London low, then you got wrecked. But I mean, right at New York Open, we inverted a 2-minute fair value gap. We inverted a 2-minute bearish fair value gap. We took longs in the group and we banked. So you got to take the fair value gaps in the right spots, the areas of interest. So like down here, you'd be looking for a bearish fair value gap to invert, and then you would look for it to the upside. You got to wait on this data low to get taken. So once this data low gets swept, then you start looking for a long to the upside. So you got to take them in the right areas. You can't just take them on willy-nilly out of nowhere. It's like maybe this low down here gets swept also. Maybe you wait on those two lows to get swept, and then you look for a long. We'll see what's going to happen. But yeah, I mean, I'm going to be looking for a long after we take out this low. After we take out that low, I'm going to start looking for a long entry. Yeah, Near. I mean, if the market's moving, I think it's worth trading. But it's up to you, man. Whatever follows your rules. I think if the market's moving, it can give good setups. But yeah, man, I literally got an $8,400 payout today. Anybody see it? Look at this payout I just got with Hypertix, man. Let me show it. Hypertix payout today. Bang. Got that today. Hit the bank. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Hypertix, dude, I've been killing it with them. Been killing it. They got good accounts. Pretty easy rules. I check them out. I check out Hypertix if I were you. Use code SLADE. They're 50% off. Really nice accounts. All right, let's see if we're going to take out this data low and then possibly get a long. But, dude, if you don't know what my entry model is, I got a free PDF. You can download it. Just download that free PDF, and I made it for you. So you can see my exact A+ model. They're called, the glasses are called blue light glasses. They're blue light. Nah, you can't use them on TradingView. They got a built-in platform that's really nice though. Deep charts. So just took out that data low right there. See, if this 3-minute closes with this wick, you probably wait on this to get inversed. Take a long. But there might be a better one lower. Looks like we're about to come take out this 720 level. See if we're going to take that out or not. Yeah, if you want some free education, you can click that link in my bio and download some free PDFs. All right, look at it dropping now. Just took out that 720 level, dropping it down now. Took out that 720 level. Big spike. New open of a 15-minute candle. New 15-minute open. Hypertix is a prop firm. You trade their money. If you get to the targets, you get a payout. Jans, I buy the instant accounts. I don't like the evals, so I got 3 instant funded accounts. 150Ks, what I trade. Alright, so took out these 2 levels, took out that data low. See if we're going to get something now back to the upside. Data low, so this news candle came out and it made 2 big wicks. Data low is the wick of the news candle. The data high is the high wick of the news candle. Data highs and lows, that is strong. That is magnets for price. So a lot of the times the price will magnet toward them. So it took out the data low, so at some point I'm going to see if we go take out this data high. We might not, but let's see. Now it's super bearish right now because on the 1 hour time frame, look, 1 hour, like the higher time frames are super bearish, right? Look at this though. We came up, news tapped into this 1 hour bearish fair value gap, and now it's dumping down. So you can see what happened on the news. The news came up, tapped into this 1 hour bearish fair value gap, and now it's dropping. How low is it going to go? We'll see. I got a low down here at 4.99. It's a long ways away, but we'll see if it's going to drop all the way down there. Don't think so. Stumping off now. But, I mean, you see, there's like... I like this strategy because if there's not an entry, you just don't take it. You don't trade right now. There's no trade right now. Dang, bro. About to get wrecked. Yeah, that one got clapped, dude. It probably did that just to stop me out. That was a 30-second one. Got clapped. Yeah. Still dropping. That one got clapped. Trying to pass this eval, dude. That just hurt it. All right, let's see now. NQ could see 42.6K. What do you mean? We hear you, stock market network. All right, dudes. I'm about to hop off of here for today. I hope everybody has a good weekend. About to try to catch a trade with the group. And, yeah, we're going to try to bang out a win in the New York session. Maybe before. But if you want to trade in the group, you can trade for free for 7 days. But we about to go get in there. Hope everybody has a great weekend. And, yeah, man. I'll see you guys next week. Man, I said it earlier. I was looking for shorts on this 1 hour gap, but it happened on the news, so I couldn't enter. See, that news tapped right into that bearish gap and dropped it. So, now we're going to see. But, yeah, I'm going to catch a win today, and we're going to get it. Hope everybody has a great day. I'll see you guys later. About to play the outro. See ya.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town.
Oh, man.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high, Q go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold. Every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold. Every blade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick red and green. Biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reach.